Welcome to Balancing Equations. The standard that goes with this is M6A3, where students will learn how to solve simple one-step equations with the 4 basic operations. Algebra is very important in 6th grade. On the CRCT at the end of the year, it will encompass 30% of the CRCT. That's the highest weight of each of the 5 domains. In 7th grade, it moves to 40% of the CRCT, and then in 8th grade, it is half of that test will be focused on algebra. So we want to give the students a good solid foundation. So what we're going to learn today is how to balance equations. Our goal, of course, in balancing equations is to get the variable by itself. Okay, and the example that we could use would be like this. The variable in this equation is the letter x. Okay, x plus 4 equals 8. So in order to do this, we must perform the inverse operation. Now you're wondering, what does inverse mean? Well, inverse means opposite. The opposite operation. So therefore, the inverse of addition is what? Yep, it is subtraction. Which means the inverse of subtraction is then addition. Likewise, the inverse of multiplication would be what? Yep, it's division. And the inverse of division is then multiplication. Let me demonstrate this for you. On this particular equation right here, x plus 4 equals 8. I know that I'm performing addition right here because I have the addition symbol in the equation. So in order to isolate the variable or to get the variable by itself, I must perform the inverse operation. The inverse of addition is subtraction, so this is what it looks like. I'm going to now subtract 4 from both sides. That's why we call it balancing equations, because what we do to one side of the equal sign, we must do to the other. Therefore, it is balanced. We have the 4 minus 4, well, that becomes 0, and it cancels out. What's left on this side of the equal sign is our x, and now I have 8 minus 4 is 4.